Let's start the assembly. This is the remote controller, and let's put it aside for the moment. This is the motor. This is the power bank applicable only to the rechargeable motor. Put the frames in this way. The side with groove shall stay up position. Let's start with the side with the fabric. If this small plug drops out, insert it back into the frame in this orientation. And make sure it's inserted till the end. Move the slider to the end. Make alignment for the slider and the side frame, and engage them simultaneously with the counterparts. After full engagement on this side, and then move ahead for the other side. Likewise for the other frame. And then assemble another side with motor. If the thread or its protection sleeve gets out of the hole, it's possible to rotate the shaft slightly for better alignment with the transmission box hole. When well aligned, push the frames for tight engagement. Likewise for the other frame. There's another important step to hook up the thread with the spring. Here is the thread. Hook up the thread with the spring. It's advised to leave the spring in the center position. Make the threads and wires tidy inside the frame. Put the cover